What if one of the most effective investing strategies was also one of the simplest? No complicated stock picking, no staring at charts all day, no trying to predict the next hot company. In fact, some of the world's most successful investors recommend a strategy that requires less effort, lower costs, and surprisingly strong long-term results. It is called investing in index funds. And for millions of investors, index funds have become the foundation of their long-term wealth strategy. Today we are going to break down what index funds are, how they work, and why so many investors choose them instead of trying to beat the market. Welcome to Business Training Media, your on-demand platform for business skills, entrepreneurship, and career growth. On this channel, we break down real-world business concepts, investing strategies, and professional skills that can help you build financial knowledge and long-term success. Now let's take a closer look at why index funds have become one of the most popular investment strategies in the world. First, let's start with a simple question. What exactly is an index fund? An index fund is an investment fund designed to track the performance of a specific market index. A market index is simply a group of stocks that represent a segment of the market. For example, one of the most well-known indexes in the United States is the S&P 500. This index tracks roughly 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the country. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and hundreds of others. Instead of buying shares in each company individually, an index fund allows you to invest in all of them at once. So with a single investment, you instantly own a small portion of hundreds of companies. That is the first major reason investors like index funds. Diversification. When you buy individual stocks, your investment depends heavily on the performance of one company. But with an index fund, your money is spread across many companies, and often across multiple industries. If one company struggles, others may perform well, helping balance the overall investment. This diversification helps reduce risk compared to concentrating your money in just a few stocks. Now let's talk about the second major advantage of index funds: lower costs. Traditional mutual funds are often actively managed. That means professional fund managers are constantly buying and selling stocks, trying to outperform the market. But active management comes with higher fees. Index funds take a different approach. They simply track the index. If the index includes certain companies, the fund holds those companies. If the index changes, the fund adjusts accordingly. Because there is less research, fewer trades, and less active management, index funds typically have very low expense ratios. And over time, lower fees can make a huge difference in investment returns. Even a 1% difference in annual fees can significantly reduce long-term gains over decades. Now, here is something many new investors find surprising. Many actively managed funds actually struggle to beat the market over long periods of time. That means investors often pay higher fees for performance that does not outperform the index. This is one reason why legendary investor Warren Buffett has repeatedly suggested that many everyday investors may be better off simply investing in low-cost index funds. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, index fund investors focus on participating in the long-term growth of the overall market. And historically, the market has grown over time despite short-term volatility. This brings us to another important benefit of index funds: simplicity. Investing can sometimes feel overwhelming. There are thousands of companies, countless strategies, and constant financial news. Index funds simplify the process. Instead of researching individual companies every week, investors can focus on long-term investing and consistent contributions. Many people build portfolios around broad market index funds and simply add money regularly over time. This strategy is often called long-term passive investing. Another benefit is accessibility. Index funds are widely available through brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and employer-sponsored plans. Many retirement plans already include index funds tracking major indexes like the S&P 500, total stock market funds, or international market indexes. This makes them a common choice for retirement investors who want broad exposure to the market. Now, it is important to understand that index funds are not risk-free. Because they track the market, they will rise and fall with the market. If the overall market declines, index funds will decline as well. But many long-term investors accept this volatility because they believe in the long-term growth of the economy and the companies that drive it. The key idea behind index investing is not trying to predict the next big stock. It is participating in the overall growth of businesses over time. And for many investors, that approach offers a balance of simplicity, diversification, and cost efficiency. So when you hear investors talk about index funds, they are not talking about a secret strategy or a complicated financial formula. They are often talking about a simple, disciplined approach to long-term investing. With index funds, you can own a broad section of the market. Keep costs low, stay invested for the long term, and allow time and compounding to do the heavy lifting. If you want to learn more about investing strategies, financial education, and building long-term wealth, don't forget to check out our recommended investing courses in the description below. They can help you deepen your understanding of investing, financial markets, and smart money management. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share to support the channel and help more people learn valuable business and financial skills. And be sure to check out our next video here on Business Training Media.